It's like I don't care about nothing, man. Yeah. Oh,
So this video has to deal with distance. Now, distance is the last thing that we have to deal with in this packet. So I hope you enjoy and find it informative. So this one here, number 12 on page 20, consider points X and Y on the coordinate plane below. Then write a formula that can be used to find the distance of any line segment. So I am going to write down the formula for you for distance. Whoops, I accidentally hit my camera. So it's all going to be underneath a square root. In parentheses, I'm going to have x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So this is the formula we're going to use on the next example. So now we are looking at the problem 13 on page 20. Find the length of the line segment EF. So if we're trying to find length, we're trying to find the distance of it. So let's use the formula that we did above.
Right.
Okay, so E was at negative 4, 4. F was at negative 2, negative 3. So I made E my x2, y2, F my x1, y1. Now, for distance, it does not matter. I could have had it flipped the other way, and I still would have got the exact same answer. So when I do this, I got negative 4 plus 2. The reason why it is plus 2, I know in the formula it has minus, but if you have, I'll write it over here, if I have negative 4 minus a negative 2, the signs change, because minus a negative would change the sign, so it's negative 4 plus 2. That is why it's like that. And the same thing here, where it would be 4 minus negative 3, which changes the sign. So when I do this, you have to do the parentheses first. So negative 4 plus 2 gives me negative 2. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So they're both supposed to be squared still. Now I have 4 plus 49. Now the biggest mistake that I tend to see throughout the years is people will still will have this negative, but if you do negative 2 times negative 2, which is what something squared means, it would come out positive. So a lot of times people will put it wrong in the calculator or something like that whenever they're squaring, and that's why they seem to get the wrong answer. But now when I add them together, I get the square root of 53. Now I can leave my answer like that, or actually put in the calculator and get a decimal answer of 7.28. Both answers are acceptable. So that's the end of this video. Now for practice, I would like you to do page 21. That is the very last page in this packet. So once you finish that, then hopefully you are ready for the test. So make sure if you have any questions that you are asking me in class. So, but again, I hope you enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe.